Look how big these are. Wow. Finally got it. We took like 3 or 4 tries. This is the 3rd try actually. Yeah, who wants like Dungeness, right? We talked about maybe doing Dungeness or one of these large lobsters, but no. All right, Hiro-san, we are back in the studio with this beautiful, beautiful king crab. Take a look at it one more time. So these things actually live in the cold waters. These things are really hard to find. We have never had a king crab live in the studio before.
The live king crab. This is my first time.
First time, right?
To cook.
To cook this one, right? The first time cooking a live.
From the live.
Okay. We want to thank this crab for a delicious meal. You saw in a previous video that delicious roll that Hiro made with the Alaskan king crab. Now he's going to do a variation of the California roll with the most expensive crab you can buy. Pretty much, $40 a pound. Got some hot avocado and sushi rice. Okay, Hiro-san, what's the first step?
The first step, I'm going to do a few legs. I'm going to do the boiling.
Okay. This is just salt?
Yeah, this is just one salt.
All right. How long? Maybe like
about 5 minutes.
5 minutes or so? Okay, here. Let's begin.
Okay, next step. I'm going to take the meats.
So once you boil these crab legs, the meat comes out really easily, like one whole chunk.
Yeah.
Which is great. Wow, take a look at that. That looks beautiful. Nice. Okay, the most expensive California roll in the world. That was $40 a pound. The cold crab was $252 with the shell. This is the meat only. Just imagine what this costs. Probably it's $80 a pound. This is probably about not even 8 ounces. It looks more like probably 3 ounces of meat. 3 to 4 ounces the most. But I can't wait to try with king crab.
King crab. California.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
It's a nice size too.
Nice
Actually, a little bit
size,
bigger,
yes.
right?
Yes.
It's so small. Wow. Beautiful roll.
Mm. Okay.
Got all the creme meat inside. Incredible looking. Hirosan, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. How many of you out there have tried California roll with real crab meat? Wow, I can't wait to try this, Hiro. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, now to the tasting part. Beautiful king crab California roll. Here's how I enjoy.
Okay.
How's it? Crab leg was just
Yeah.
cooked just moments ago.
Mm.
This is bigger than your average California roll, so I could enjoy this for sure. That was so good. The crab meat is delicious. Oh my goodness. You guys got to try this at home. Real crab California roll. Real crab leg California roll.
Mm.
This should be a thing. I know some restaurants have it, but if you do it yourself and it's fresh, the taste is incredible. And the meat is so soft, so succulent. Mmm. Mmm. Hiro,
Good, huh?
so delicious. Thank you so much, Hiro.
Thank you.
We'll see you soon.